everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to delete your Wow Careers account if you don't want to use it anymore. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. As soon as you do that, go to the web address bar at the top and type in the URL www.wowcareers.com.au and press enter on your keyboard. Now once you end up in the official site, make sure that you're logged in. Go to the Careers tab at the top right and click on Set up Job Alert or Login. Make sure to enter your correct credentials and log into your account like you normally do. And once you're logged in, from the main homepage, go and click on the My Profile tab at the top. As soon as you open up your profile, you'll be able to see a Delete Profile button at the top right. Give it a click and remember that once you remove your account and delete all of its data, you'll be removed and will be withdrawn from any jobs that you've applied to with this account. To permanently delete your account, click on Delete All Data and wait for a few seconds, and now you'll be signed out of your account. After you delete your account, remember that if you have been hired to a position already with the account, then you should not delete your profile. After deleting your account, all of the information will be removed and you will be withdrawn from any jobs that you've applied to. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.